So one tip to get in enough protein for the day, which is so important as we get older, I'm 50, but really anyone over 45, our metabolism slows down. We need more protein throughout the day. So I aim for 120 grams of protein a day. I'm 120 pounds. You can aim for your ideal body weight as well. So, you know, if you're overweight, aim for like maybe 150 grams of protein. So I do this recipe because I don't have a lot of time. So I do 1.5 cups of egg whites. Okay, 1.5 cups of egg whites. And then I just started adding like in a few walnuts because they have such good healthy fats in them. You can add in fruit, but I don't like the fruit warm because I microwave this. So you can put in blueberries or strawberries. I do 1/3 cup of oats in here to get some carbs and fiber. So stir. You can add cinnamon as well, and then just microwave 2.5 minutes, and then I will add fruit. But so you're gonna make 30 grams of protein, about 12 grams of carbs, and a little bit more grams of carbs if you're gonna add fruit as well. So calculate in a few berries, but let me microwave it about 3.5 minutes and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so when it comes out, it will look like this. It does kind of stick in here. I sprayed it, but if you can take it out like as soon as it comes out, it's easier to like wash these bowls. But I'll take this to work sometimes, just like this. So stick it on your plates. And if you want to put some berries with it, so here we go. And this is really good actually, like when it cools down too, like it hardens a little bit, but you can reheat it and, you know, pre-make these and then just reheat them. You could totally do that as well. And another good option, if you wanted to add like more fiber, because fiber is really important as we get older as well. So you can actually, you know, use like a little fiber wrap. You can use like keto bread and not put the syrup on it, and then like make a sandwich, like an egg sandwich. Or I've taken like the larger carb, low carb wraps and made like a sandwich. So if you didn't like were in the mood for a sandwich, this is like a really good idea. And it just like mixes it up. So say like you eat the same thing all the time, like I kind of do, but sometimes like I don't want it on the plate, like I'm in the mood for like a wrap. So I will put it in the wrap. I really like it with the sugar-free syrup because it makes it like a little sweet, and then eat it like a wrap. Oh, it's so good. And the added like walnuts that I started putting in give it like a crunch. When I used to put frozen blueberries, and then the blueberries get mushy, and I hate fruit that's like warm. So that's why I like to do the fruit after. But some of my clients really like to put the fruit in it and then just microwave it, and it doesn't bother them. But you know, that's why you have options. It's so good and allows me to get like 30 grams of protein and stay full until like my next meal of the day. So just some tips to help you get in more protein as, you know, as you're older. So I know a lot of my older clients as well. So I'm saying older, like, which is my age. So 50 and above really struggle to get in protein, and most of my clients do not have protein powders, which I thought was so interesting because I've had protein powders like in my life for a long time, since my 30s, but I didn't realize like so many women didn't, you know, utilize protein powders. So I'm gonna do a lot of videos on those of how you can incorporate them. I've done the one where it's my late night snack, and I mix protein powder with water and like a little pudding, and then I dip my apples in it, and that's like 25 grams of protein. So I have a few videos, I'll link them, or check out my videos for ways to incorporate protein powders as opposed to just like drinking them, because I have clients that are like, I like to eat, I don't want to just like drink protein. So I think that's why a lot of people haven't bought them before. So I'm gonna help you with that. So make sure you stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.